My dentist when 10 years old me tells her that I brush twice a day and never eat candy. The sketch. The final. Why this looks like a screenshot from a 3D game. When you get home and your little bro is excited to tell you how he beat a boss in a game because he knows you're the only one that will understand. When you invite Jesus into your heart but then he sees what's inside there. When a thief breaks into your house looking for money. I'll look with you. Politicians, vote for us and we will change things for the better. Public, votes them in. Politicians. We lied to you. And we'll do it again. Man skipped work for 6 years and no one noticed until he won an award. For 6 years. A building supervisor in Spain quietly collected a $41,500 salary from his local government without showing up for work. And he would have gotten away with it too if it wasn't for him getting an award for his 20 years of loyal service. Just found out my car has a taco holder. I've just been putting my sunglasses up there like an idiot. It's dangerous to go alone. Take this. I ask my students to send me photos of their dogs doing class work. It's an underappreciated photography genre. I'm actually out here to, get a cupcake. This and chill? We're not chilling. After this, it's group nap time. The Sopranos own this home on a single salary from a husband that only had a semester and a half of college. This was considered normal in 1999 when the show began. I got my best friend a $4,500 yacht trip to Catalina Island for her 19th birthday. My friends don't even say happy birthday to me. It is probably easier to teach a dolphin quantum physics than to teach you human and dolphin brain. Okay, then do it. Please stop emailing me about work on my work email while I'm at work. When you see your delivery driver turn down the wrong street with your chicken nuggies. When someone gives you the wrong directions. Khloe Kardashian's hands look like the hand of what I imagine lives under my bed and grabs my ankles in my sleep. Me scoring 100% on a test I didn't even study for. The cop holding the breathalyzer. Me after doing absolutely nothing. Go take a rest, you deserve it. Me looking around at different things to avoid looking people in the eyes. Everyone felt that. Nobody, American universities. I like your initiative. My teaching fee is a neat $1 million, alright? What happened to him? He tried to beat a lobby of Japanese players on Mario Kart. It's peanut butter. Please stop this, you're scaring my family. No one. My teammates Mike,